Hi guys, welcome to another video of Mathematics 2. In this case, we're going to work with degrees, minutes, and seconds. But before we continue, just to tell you that this video belongs to a playlist, and that playlist is going to cover the full course of Mathematics 2. That playlist, you can find it in the description below. Okay? So, in this case, for example, we are going to find the complement, the supplement, and the conjugate of this angle over here. But we're gonna do it using the calculator. Okay, I know, for example, that you can do it by hand, but in this case, I'm gonna share with you this tip. Now, it's important, for example, I don't know what kind of calculator you have, but in this case, I'm gonna be working with this one, and you can see a key just like this one. This key is the one that we are going to use in order to use the degrees, minutes, and seconds. So, for example, I need to find the complement. So the complement will be the angle, which if I add this angle plus this angle that I have right here, the sum will be 90 degrees. So I'm gonna write over here that the sum will be 90. In this case, it's gonna be 180 degrees. In this case, it's gonna be 360 degrees. Okay. So the thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to subtract 90 degrees minus this one, and I'm gonna find the complement angle. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to type 90, and for example, I'm going to press this key once. If I do it and I press the equal button, the calculator is going to transform this number into degrees, minutes, and seconds. So that's what we need in order to perform this operation. So let's do it. So I'm going to do 90, and then I press this button, minus 63 degrees and 48 minutes. Okay, and then I'm just going to press the equal button, and that will be the answer that I'm looking for. Okay, so I'm going to write it 26 degrees and 12 minutes. Okay, let's do it with the 180. Okay, so 180, I press this button over here, minus 63 degrees and 48 minutes equal. Okay, that will be the answer, 116 degrees and 12 minutes. I guess you already got the idea. I'm gonna leave you to find the 360 degrees for this one, and I'm going to jump to the next one. Okay, I'm gonna leave it this one to you. Okay, so let's do the same. Now with this angle over here, now in this angle I have seconds, but the procedure will be exactly the same. So I have 90 degrees minus 15 degrees, and then this key, 18 minutes, the key, and 6 seconds. Okay, and I'm gonna press equal. So that will be the answer, 74 degrees, 41 minutes, and 54 seconds. I'm going to do exactly the same with the other one in order to find the supplement. So it's going to be 180 degrees minus 15 degrees, 18 minutes, and 6 seconds. Okay, and that will be the answer. If you see I got the same seconds, okay, they should be exactly the same because I have the same amount of seconds over here. Also in minutes. Okay, so let's do this. I'm gonna write it, 164 degrees, 41 minutes, and 54 seconds. And that will be the same procedure. For example, I don't know, if you have 51 degrees, 12 minutes, and 3 seconds, imagine that you have all the three of them are going to be different. And if you want to add them, for example, I don't know, 30 degrees, 13 degrees, 41, and 36 seconds. So the calculator is going to, wow, oh, I guess I made a mistake. What was the mistake? Oh yeah, I see the mistake. The mistake is here. I forgot to press the key. So that will be the answer. So just be careful, because every number must have the degrees, minutes, and seconds. So watch out. And finally, for example, if you get a decimal, a degree like this one, for example, let's say 31.123123.4, okay, and you need to transform this into minutes and seconds. So let's do it. 31.1234. So I'm gonna press equal, and I'm just gonna press this button over here, and it's going to transform it. Okay, I'm gonna press it. Okay, what I did, it was I just type the number, I press equal, and then I press this key over here, and it transformed that number into minutes and seconds. So 31 degrees, 7 minutes, and 24.24 seconds. If I try to do the reverse way, for example, imagine that I have 21 degrees, 8 minutes, and 4 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna press equal, and then I'm going to press the shift key, and then this number over here. Okay, so it's going to give me the decimal number. If I press it again, I'm gonna have the degrees, minutes, and second. Oh, I see that there is no need to press the shift key. Okay, this button over here is gonna give me the decimal number and the degrees, the minutes, and the seconds. Okay, so this was everything about this video, degrees, minutes, and seconds. So stay tuned, and you can watch the full playlist in order to see the full course of Mathematics 2. I hope I see you in the next video. Bye bye, guys.